Alright, what's going on? It's a winner day for me today. Like yesterday, got a few plays that I played, or maybe I just played one. Let me check again. Yeah, I played one stock today, and I had plans on two stocks that I really wanted to trade. So I'm gonna show you the first one here, SMMT. Gonna try and show you also the pre-market chart right here. One. So right here. So we gapped up this morning on low volume, trended down, down, down. And what I wanted to do is short into the 260 mark, which was right here, and I had an order out for it. It got to 258 before basically then crashing down completely to the previous day's open, I mean. And yeah, so I missed this trade, but I got ANW, even got the entries and all. Gonna show you the clear chart right here. So we had an uptrend, and I don't know if you remember FSKB, I think it was, where it also dropped like that. We got basically the longs coming in, waiting for a stock to break out at open, and all of them sell basically into this panic. So we got that, rebounded, but I didn't short it because I wanted it higher in the 260s to 275. Couldn't get it, so I shorted as it came back to the VWAP area, right around here, because normally we see a quick pop over it, but we kind of struggled right here. So I took it short right here, and didn't cover because I had a quite big risk right here to the 245s. But as we came back down and kind of consolidated right here, we crashed down once more, came back up, reshorted right here at it, and put my stop right over this candle at 233. So I had an average of right around 225, and covered into this move down at let me check, at 204. Yeah, 204 average, right around there, and reshorted as it popped up and couldn't get higher, and covered right in here at 198. So as it kind of faded more, I was kind of pissed. I'm not really pissed, but I thought, okay, all right, it's gonna head lower, but I don't need that move, because that move was the predictable one. Shot back up, shorted it right here, but stopped out right there, as I thought that we could easily get to at least the 215 area, to the and or the VWAP. Moved back down, came back up to this consolidation area that we had right there, shorted it into here, and I'm still in the position, so I'm going to keep you updated as the position unfolds. See you in a bit. What's going on, traders? I'm back. Just want to keep you updated on ANW. As you know, I caught the drop this morning to this area, shorted it right here, had to cover for basically break even. Couldn't trade this move down, so I saw it pop up right here, and I was in watching the live feed, the live video from Modern Rock Bio, and I saw it popped up, and I shorted it into this move to get an average in this consolidation phase here. And I wanted to risk off all the way basically at the start I wanted to risk off this 210 area, which I did. Came back down, but I wanted a bit more retest of the lows, or at least the 193 mark. And it came back down, came back up, I mean, and I have been analyzing the positions the past weeks, and I noticed that a lot of faders tend to come back. First of all, they tend to reverse at 11 a.m. And if you look at 11 a.m., we got this reversal move, and they tend to reverse to the downside and close near the lows or even under the lows. A few of them, like which one was it? I think AWX and maybe MTSL did come back to the highs, but I think apart from that, we didn't see that a lot. So I shorted it right here as it came over this area right here, as it came to this area, not over it. So I shorted basically the same share size as here, and added then bigger right in here at, let me check, at 212.01, meaning right here at the top. Wanted, as I said, to risk off this 222 area. Why did I short right here? Basically because it looked real heavy on the level 2, and I thought, okay, if we get over this Europe area, we're gonna do it quick. So yeah, I shorted it right here, had then an average of 2.07, which is right here. Watched it consolidate right here, then it broke down right here, came back down, and just consolidated over this $2 area the whole time, really long, like an hour straight. But we couldn't get over this 201 area, and we had a lot of propping. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna hold it, because if we would have broken this $2 area, we would have seen a nice move wash to the 195 area like we did right here. So this time it didn't work out. For me, it got in the other direction, but I could cover quickly right here into this move to at 205, 206. So I've got a small winner pocket change. Basically, I think after the commission, I'm not even up more. I'm just basically break-even trade. But this trade in the morning was really what where I banked today. So that's it for today. I'm gonna show you a couple more charts. TIS, for example. I know that Modern Rock traded. That one is morning. Let's see if I can show you the chart. Come on. Right here. So TIS, look through the filings as I told you in yesterday or the day before's video. Really, they need basically they need cash to survive, and chasers basically chased it up to this 315 area, came back down hard. Wanted to trade that one, but not today. I wanted to move higher, so didn't trade that one. CJC, that's a cannabis company. I think it's the one of the biggest one on the market. Came back down, squeezed to the top right here, came back down, so could have shorted that one. SMTT, that's I explained that already, I think. TTD, no trade here for me at least. And MXWL, that one I haven't seen today. Yeah, I really thought about trading this one and shorting it as it popped back up here. I missed it at open and didn't really want to trade it because we had the pattern on SMMT and ANW, so I was focused on them and not really on that one. But I'm not even mad, like the volume is really low, and I'm going to show you one final chart, and it's that one, JMU. That one I could have traded, and that would have been a nice trade. I basically really told in the chat that I saw a short opportunity right here at the 255 mark, and I'm going to show you that in the chat so you can believe me. Just going to look up crash. So as you see right here, JMU might just crash now. That was at 0.35, and that is right here in this candle. So right here I told, okay, I think that we could break down now, and we did till 212. And I also told just now that where did I tell it? So we talked about it if it can crack now, and I told, okay, I'm pretty certain that we will see a crash, but I also told I think we will get a small bounce first. And if you look at it, perfect bounce, because if you know technical analysis, you'll see that we got the top right here, tried to come back to that top, couldn't make it, spike, double top right here, that's the neckline. We got back to this area right here to support, came back up, now support becomes resistance, we got resistance right here to 35, boom, crash down. So that one would have been nice, but as I said, I was trading A and W, so didn't really pay too much attention. Alright, that's all for today. I hope that you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you didn't already, and I'll see you tomorrow.